Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play FIFA Ultimate Team. To begin, you will receive a starter pack of players and items, forming your very first squad. Your main goal is to build the best team possible by acquiring new players and improving your existing ones. Complete the initial challenges to earn valuable coins and packs, which are crucial for your club's growth. Pay attention to player chemistry, as it significantly impacts your team's performance on the pitch. Building your squad involves several key methods. Playing matches and completing daily or weekly objectives are excellent ways to earn coins, the in-game currency. The transfer market allows you to buy specific players you need or sell unwanted ones for profit. Opening various packs can yield new players, club items, and consumables. Additionally, engaging in squad-building challenges offers a path to acquire exclusive player items and packs by submitting specific squads. To enhance your team's performance, strategically apply chemistry styles to individual players, which can significantly boost their key attributes. Ensure your manager matches your team's league or nationality to maximize chemistry. Dive into different game modes, such as division rivals, to test your squad against other players and earn weekly rewards. Practicing skill moves and refining your custom tactics will give you a competitive edge during matches, leading to more victories. For those looking to master Ultimate Team, consider participating in the Weekend League, a highly competitive mode offering some of the best rewards. Learning to trade effectively on the transfer market can generate substantial coin profits. Always keep an eye on seasonal objectives, as they often provide unique and powerful player items that can elevate your squad. Efficiently managing your club's consumables, like contracts and fitness items, is also vital for long-term success and maintaining a strong team.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.